All right, we've got this passenger elevator here in the back of Woodfield Mall. I think this might have been a G&S. I swear I saw a video of an old G&S buried somewhere by like the management office, and this is what this is near. So this might be that one. Oh, is this the one? Oh, I know where this is. Okay. This is the one I saw the other day. It's much less hit on the first floor, I guess. Anyway, mall. Excuse me, that will be it.